I have a ton of things to get through in this haul. This is a PR haul, public relations haul. So this is where brands gift me things and I share them with you. Well, I have a choice. I want to share. Okay, so because I know y'all love some hair care, I'm gonna share what Bread Beauty Supply sent to me. You guys know I've been using their stuff for like 2 years. Did like a full out video on their very, very first collection like 2 years ago. I will link that down below. I love their stuff, okay? And me and Miss Bray got a thing going on now. And so they sent me the hair wash. It's kind of like a, I don't want to say milky shampoo, but it is a little bit creamier than some of my other shampoos. The Creamy Deep Conditioner. This is a hair mask. I have tried this time and time again. I almost wish that, no, it is bigger. The conditioner is actually bigger than the shampoo, but it's like, I want this thing to be like so much bigger, like 5 times bigger, because y'all know we go through conditioner really, really fast over here, but I do like their hair mask. I know you're all very familiar with their hair cream. I have been using this for a while. This is my other one that I have, and it is very hydrating. It has a higher water content than a lot of the other sort of hair moisturizers that you have probably used because it smells like Fruit Loops. No, it smells really good to me. It has like a fruity smell to it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but even though it comes in a jar, it has some wiggle to it, you know. I love this hair cream. I absolutely love this hair cream. I'm linking everything down below. I've been using this for quite a while. You've seen it in plenty of tutorials, so that will be down below. Oh, and there's a little mini of the hair oil. It low-key looks like a little cologne, but it's a hair oil. It goes on very smooth and kind of silky feeling. What else did they get me? And the mud mask. I have yet to try this, so I really have to try this now. This is the Detox Hair and Scalp Treatment. Scalp treatment. This is, it's a detoxifying pre-wash treatment for your scalp and strands. I'm so glad. This is why it's important for you to read the instructions. So you actually put this on before you shampoo your hair. So that's really cool. Leave on for 20 minutes and then continue with your wash day routine. This is interesting. If you guys want to see me use any of the products that I'm gonna like talk about, make sure you leave a comment down below so that the brands know. No, but I actually really do love their products. The next brand is a skincare brand called Good Molecules. They reached out to me and I got very excited when I started reading up on kind of how they do things over there. And one of the things I really love is that their products are, the ingredients are very easy to read and they tell you what each ingredient does. It's very simplified and it's really, really, really cool. I did try it, I'll share in a second. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. So this is formulated with vitamin C and niacinamide, a few other ingredients, and it is formulated to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of large pores. Oily skin people, y'all know. This is the Discoloration Correcting Serum. This is formulated with cetyl trinexamate and it's supposed to target discoloration and even out your skin tone. It comes with a dropper and it kind of has this like bubbly kind of white, I don't know, I might need to shake it up a little bit, but I'm very excited about this because you guys know I get acne. When you get acne, if you pick at it, you know, you get discoloration or maybe you have uneven skin tone. So I really, really, really want to continue using this. I did try it and everything here, by the way, it goes on very smooth, very, very smooth, and you don't need a lot of it. I think if you over apply it, it can start to feel a little bit sticky, so don't over apply it. A little bit goes a long way. It's so good. And then your next step is gonna be the Super Peptide Serum. This is gonna target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Your girl's getting up there in age, you know, and yeah. She's been taking care of her skin, but I could always use a little help. And this is the Good Molecule Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. This was the first product that I tried a couple nights ago, and it goes on very smooth, especially to be silicone free. They use an alternative product, and I was nervous because it has shea butter in it, and I was like, oh my God, I don't know if my skin's gonna like this. I have combination oily skin, but no, it was not too heavy. I actually very much like it. So I'm gonna continue using these products. I'm excited. I am enjoying them so far though, I have to say. And then I went to good old Amazon to get my hair. Okay, you guys know when I did the Cuban twist the first time and it looks super natural? Well, I want to do it again, but I found longer hair. So this is the Expression Butterfly Locks and Distress Locks. This is the twisted up springy afro twist hair in 24 inches. Y'all know that I really loved my twist, but I needed more drama. So we're trying it with this hair. And if I like this, then I may even try to like add some color or something like that. But that, literally this package, I will link this down below. It's from Amazon. When I move to new places, I don't know where to get hair, and I don't well, lately I guess I've been doing a lot of protective styles. I'm trying to get these inches, y'all, and I'm also trying not to stress my hair out during this acting episodic season, so forgive me. But listen, Amazon comes through. Amazon be coming through with the hair, okay? Don't sleep. I'll link it down below. Let's talk about brow hair growth, okay? Your girl's brows on the ends, I don't know, they just over time started disappearing, right? So this brand Revela reached out to me with their brow serum, and I haven't used it yet. If they give me a discount code, I will make sure to link it in or leave it in the description box. So make sure you always check the description box and use those links and discount codes that are there. But this is what it looks like. So this brand was founded by MIT, Princeton graduates, so the smarty pants, the scientists from there. This is a doe foot applicator, I normally see this for lip glosses, but this is for the brows. And let's look at the instructions. You should use this day and night. The bottle should last about 3 months if you use it twice daily. You need to let this product sit for 5 minutes before you go and do your makeup, and you can do your makeup on top of this. So that's really, really cool. I like that. And if you stop using the serum, your eyebrows are gonna return back to normal. So this is something that, you know, just becomes a part of your routine. I really enjoy the packaging. It feels like a heavy duty smooth mascara or something. It's really, really cool. I like the doe foot applicator because I've seen brow serums that have the spoolie, you know, like, you guys know what I'm talking about, spoolie. These things, I've seen them, and you know, if you don't have hair, it's kind of awkward. So it's nice that it's a doe foot applicator. I'm gonna take some photos, okay? And the last thing that I got is this book called Influencer: Build Your Personal Brand in the Age of Social Media. Now this book came out a little while ago, and it is by a woman, I wanna say Brittany Hennessy. Yes, Brittany Hennessy. She's a Black woman, and she wrote this book, and pretty much any brand manager, anybody in social media recommends this book. I got it specifically not for necessarily like learning how to do the creative work, which I don't think this is about. I believe this is more about the business of being an influencer, and that I can always improve in. So what does it say? Build an audience and keep them engaged, package your brand and pitch to your favorite companies, monetize your influence, and figure out how much to charge, plus tips on landing an agent, getting on the radar of your favorite sites, and praising a brand without alienating their competitors. So it sounds like it should be a pretty smart book, and maybe even a quick read. Yeah, it looks like it'll be a quick read. This is what some of the pages looks like. So if any of you guys are out there and you're interested in being an influencer or a creator, a content creator, whether you want to be the face or you just want to use your hands or whatever, you want to do UGC, user generated content or anything like that, this might be good for you to pick up as well. So I'm going to link this down below. I got this from Amazon. I'm not sure if there's an audio book, but I'll link what I have. I have talked a lot. I will return on another day.